Hello and welcome to HW News. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 75 lakh people and more than 6 lakh 77,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 16 lakh 38,000 cases of coronavirus, whereas 5 lakh 45,000 among them are active cases. 10 lakh 57,000 people have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 35,747 have died due to COVID-19. India today recorded 55,079 new coronavirus cases and 779 new deaths. Now, this is the highest ever single day increase in the COVID-19 patients in India. Let's now move on to important news of the day. Over 6 months after COVID-19 was declared a global emergency, the World Health Organization today said that young people could get infected and even succumb to the virus and urged them to take the same precautions to protect themselves as everyone else. WHO said that spikes of cases in some countries are being driven in part by younger people letting down their guard during the Northern Hemisphere summer. On the issue of the vaccine, it said that for the first time there could be a situation where people, regardless of where they live, get a COVID-19 vaccine at the same time. We need to change the way we have operated in the past. Now, that is what WHO chief said. Let's move on to next news. In August, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation will carry out a follow-up of the Sero survey which was done in 3 municipal wards of Mumbai during the first fortnight of the month of July. According to the result of the survey that was released on Wednesday, out of the total 6,936 samples collected, 57% people sampled in slums and 16% in non-slum areas were exposed to the coronavirus. A Sero survey provides an insight into the spread of the infection and development of antibodies in the general population. Now, an antibody is a protein produced by white blood cells and used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as bacteria and viruses. The next round of Sero survey will be done in the same municipal wards of Matunga, Chembur and Dahisar, BMC officials said. It will be followed up by another in a similar smaller group of the same people who were tested for antibodies in the month of July. Let's move on to next news. The Madhya Pradesh government has banned political rallies, agitations and public meetings till August 14 to prevent the spread of coronavirus among politicians and their supporters. The move comes after Chief Minister Shivraj Chouhan and his 3 ministers have tested positive for the deadly virus. Now, Shivraj Chouhan, who has been recuperating at a hospital in Bhopal, presided over a review meeting on the state's coronavirus situation and said that any individual, be it the chief minister, any minister, public representative or officer, will face action if the safety guidelines are not followed. He also directed the ministers not to undertake any public tour till August 14 and not meet more than 5 people in their homes. All the political parties in Madhya Pradesh have been campaigning for the bypolls to 24 seats likely to be held later this year. Let's move on to next news. At least 10 people died allegedly consuming sanitizer as an alternative to liquor in a village after COVID-19 lockdown in Prakasam district of Andhra Pradesh. The victims of Kurichedu village had been drinking sanitizer for the past few days, mixing it with water and soft drinks. 2 people died on Thursday night and the other 8 people died this morning. The liquor outlets are closed since the past few days due to the extended COVID-19 lockdown in the district. Now, those who died were alcohol addicted and its non-availability due to the lockdown in Kurichedu village made them drink the sanitizer that had an alcoholic content in it. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.